Try to hold it a little bit steady. They've been there for there. Now I got my elbows down on the truck. Should focus up here in just a second. February the 28th. I can't tell the female from the male. They're in the pecan tree at 1012 Condor. Appears to be a pair, a couple. You can't really see it from here. There may be some yellow markings. Can I zoom on? Oh, yeah, there's a... Let me hold it steady here. Yeah, that's as much as I can zoom. I don't think you can really see it, but there's some yellow markings around the neck. Got a long... That guy's in profile. Where is he? There's one of them. And there's the other one. They seem really clumsy, but they're picking sticks out of the pecan tree. And then she handed it to him, and he thanked her and promptly dropped it. It's not like they're nesting or anything. Very interesting looking bird, about the size of a small duck. Got a wingspan of around 30 inches, I guess. See him? He's got a twig in his mouth as if he wants to nest. Or she, I don't know which one. Interesting if they nest there. Today is February the 28th. I mean March the 28th. Okay.